What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a full face of makeup. So before we jump into it guys, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit the notification bell so you guys don't miss when I upload or when I live stream. The makeup that I'm going to be using in this video is a very popular Korean makeup brand called VDL makeup. I don't often put makeup on my face or even wear makeup or do makeup videos for that matter, but when you get sent a whole package of very good makeup from this company, or any good company for that matter, you just can't say no. Like when I'm telling you guys, I got a whole set. Y'all, I got a whole set of VDL makeup. There was nothing required for me to even do with this, but I was like, you know what, let me just try it on anyway. Quick disclaimer, I am not a makeup guru, so all you makeup gurus out there, please don't come for me. Don't come for me because I'm not that good at it, but I'm gonna try it out anyway and see how it turns out. Alright, so they sent me a bunch of stuff to try and we're gonna quickly go through it. First, I pulled out the Lumi Layer Primer, which I know is super popular. I love the packaging. It's like a glass packaging and I think it's really cute. The next one that I have here is this is the Perfect Lasting Foundation in the color V05, so I'm hoping that it does match me correctly. Also in the similar packaging as before, except the top is a different color. Next, I have the Lumi Layer Primer Fresh. I'm not sure what this is, so let's open this up and see. This is the Lumi Layer Primer Fresh. I think it's a little shimmery, and I think that you're supposed to mix this with your primer to give you kind of like a glow effect, but we're just gonna have to see. Next, I have the Expert Radiance Fix Mist. Say that 3 times fast. I'm gonna assume this is a finishing spray. It says to use it to add hydration back to your face, so I'll probably be using this last. They also sent me a creamy stick jelly. Whew, okay. And this is in the shade Alice, which is 301. This is the creamy stick jelly. I'll pop that right off and show you guys what that looks like. So it says to apply to face, a little bit on the face, and mix in with fingers or a brush. So it's kind of like a blush, which actually I'm kind of excited for. I've never used a blush this color, but we'll see how it goes. So I also have the Expert Deep Matte Liquid Liner and the Expert Color Lip Cube Fluid Velvet. And the Lip Cube Fluid Velvet is in the color Make Me Rosy. I'm excited to use both of these. I'm interested in the color. Let's do a quick swatch. Does anybody else like fresh makeup? Ooh. So this is the color when I take it out. It's really cute. I'm gonna quickly swatch it on my hand. I'll show you guys what it looks like. So it's a really cute rosish, rosy color. I really like colors like these. They also sent me a bunch of eye book monos is what they call them. I think they're eyeshadows. Up in here, I'm gonna open them up. So the first one that I'm gonna be opening up is one called Shark Skin. Look at that packaging, guys. Look at that color. It's like a shimmery, shark skinny color. Such cute packaging as well. VDL has such cute packaging. I love it, it's so tiny. The next color I have is Toe Shoes. What a weird name. Toe Shoes. And this is the color for that. Also a very cute color. It's very light and feminine. I really like it. And the last one is Signature. This one's called Signature. And it's a really cute violet purple color. And the last thing that I have is this Naked Cleansing Oil Cream. It says completely naked as you've never had makeup before. It's a translucent cleansing jelly cream that powerfully removes all traces of makeup and cleanses skin. I don't know if I'm gonna be using this in this video, probably not, but let's pop it out anyway. This is it. Just open it up. And there is a jelly in there. Oh yeah, it's definitely like a jelly texture. It actually smells really yummy. Okay, so I'm excited to be using that one. Okay, so let's get started. First things first, I'm gonna be using the primer. And I guess I'm just gonna go in on my face and to prime my face. Oh, I normally don't use a primer like this, but we're gonna try it out anyway. it feels really hydrating. I normally only use one primer all the time, and it's normally because the other ones I find leave my skin feeling really dry. I don't like the matte look. I like things, I have a mirror right there. I like things that normally have a glow to it. It's kind of giving me that luminous look, which I guess makes sense why it's called the Lumi Layer Primer. And there we go. Before I jump in with the foundation, I'm just gonna quickly do my brows. I don't like doing my brows after putting on foundation because I feel like I can't get that natural look. And like I said, I'm not a makeup guru, so I gotta do it the way that I know. Just give me a second while I just throw these brows on. So my brows are done. They're as good as I could get them because I don't know what I'm doing sometimes. Now I'm gonna go in with the VDL primer and hoping that this matches my skin very well. So I actually like to put it in the back of my hand first. And then I kind of rub it on the skin, warm it up, and then I just apply little dots everywhere. Now I'm gonna go in with a wet blending sponge and just blend away. Wow, it's actually giving me perfect coverage. Shout out to VDL. Kind of wanted to keep this a light look, so that's why I didn't put too much on. I also don't really wear makeup, but I just wanted to make sure that this looked as natural as I normally keep my makeup. I am loving this. Look at that. So I'm not sure if you guys knew this, but I got my wisdom teeth pulled out on Saturday, and it's currently Monday, and my mouth is doing amazing. When the dentist went to take out my tooth, he put like one, because the wisdom teeth were had already breached my gums, so which means they already came out of the gums. So he put one tool here, one finger here, it went pop, and then one here, and another one. It was just like, I was done in like 5 minutes. Couldn't even believe it. I was in pain for maybe an hour after the freezing. I took some pain medicine, and then that was the only time I took the pain medicine. I haven't taken it since. I'm still not eating solid foods yet, but yeah, guys, that's me. And look, I'm not swollen. I'm doing a makeup video, and yeah, so little update for you. Okay, so that's the foundation. I really like how glowy and dewy it's making me, and so far, so good. Next, I'm going to be going in with the blush, which is the Creamy Stick Jelly, and smile, and kind of add it to my face. Thank you. And I'm just going to dab it in with my fingers. I like dabbing it in with my fingers because the warmth in my hands, I feel like, helps it melt into the look better, which as you can see, it's blending in flawlessly, actually. I love how glowy and hydrated everything makes my face look. I didn't use the Lumi Primer Fresh because I just want to go with one primer. I'm gonna have to use that in another day, but this is just so lovely. I'm done with the creamy jelly stick. So far, this is the look. It's really cute, actually. I'm gonna go with my brush, and I'm actually gonna highlight under my brow bone with the Toe Shoes color, and just to give a little bit of a highlighty effect. I'm gonna try the shark skin. Right here, I'm gonna try the shark skin color and just kind of maybe dust it on my eyelids. Oh, I love how everything's just such an airy look it's giving me. It's nothing too hard or too sharp. Very much in my lane of makeup looks. I'm sure if I added a setting spray or a spray before onto this brush and then used this eyeshadow, it would have come out way more pigmented, but I'm actually okay with a nice, airy, glowy look at the moment. This is the color that I'm using right here, just to help kind of blend it out and give some sort of dimension and depth to the colors here. And I'm just gonna add a little bit at the bottom here. I'm gonna go in with the Expert Deep Matte Liquid Liner, and let's hope I don't screw this up. Oh Oh man. It's been so long since I've done eyeliner that my hand's shaking. That's it. I kind of butchered it. It's not equal or even on both sides, but that's okay. We're just gonna go with the flow. Now I'm gonna go in with a mascara that I have just to kind of make my lashes pop a little bit more. My mascara and eyeliner is done. So what I'm gonna try next is the VDL lip, what's it called, the Velvet Lip. And this one, like I said, was in the color Make Me Rosy. This is super hydrating. Ooh, it is super, super rosy. So what I'm gonna do is take my finger and I'm just gonna dab it out so I can remove whatever excess doesn't need to be there and give it more of a natural blend. Shoot, I may even add a gloss over it. 1 second. Gloss this baby out. So here is the completed look. I think the shirt kind of makes it too much. So maybe I should change my shirt and come right back. Give me 1 second. Okay, so I just changed my shirt from that, what was it? Like a maroonish type of reddish shirt into this green army colored dress. I think this actually suits it a lot better. Let me just zoom out. Kind of weird looking at myself with a bunch of makeup on, but I really like it. Again, shout out to VDL for, you know, letting me try and test out this makeup. There's a few things that I have to try another time, but so far it all looks really good. The foundation, like I can't feel it on my face. It feels like my skin, and it blended so nicely, and the cheek looked great. I kind of had to dim the lights down. I'm sure the whole time you guys were like, what's going on? But if you made it to the end, you can see that this turned out really well. I did actually forget to do one thing, which was try out the Radiance Fix Mist. The finishing spray. Okay, so let's do this real quick. And boom. It's all done. Now it's finally completed. This is the finished look. This is the finished look. But I hope you guys liked it. I had fun playing with some makeup. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know what you guys think of the final results. And we will definitely touch base soon in another video. I hope you guys have an awesome week and please take care.